Do you still pay money to download images from online to use in your online purpose like websites or YouTube videos or some other purposes? But let me tell you, there are many websites which allow you to download images without any copyright issues and you can use them for any purpose you want. Among them, the two most popular are pixels.com and pixabay.com. So today we will be reviewing these two popular websites and see which is better than the other. But before moving further, enjoy. To have a comparison between the two, we will search some keywords in both of the websites and we will have a look which website produces better images. So the keywords we will be searching today are landscape, portrait, architecture, city night, animals, and food. The reason I picked these keywords for comparison between these is because they are the most searched keywords in any websites and these keywords covers almost all the genres of images. So this comparison is going to be a lot of fun and interesting. So first, let's start with landscape. Okay, so this is Pixabay and here it is the Pixels. So I've opened the Pixabay and Pixels both in separate tabs. And first let's check the landscape. So I have already written the landscape in both the search bars as you can see. Now let's just search and compare the results. So first let's start with Pixabay. Okay, so we now get the results in the Pixabay and let's just scroll it down and see the quality of the pictures. Some of them are really good, like I really like this one. I really like this one. This is kind of dramatic and looks good. They are actually really good. Like this is really hard to believe that we can get all of the pictures which are extremely copyright free and we can get these images just for free without actually spending any money. Yeah, these are really great. Okay, so as you can see, you can almost see the quality of the pictures we get here and they are pretty awesome. So now let's move to Pixels. Let's search. Okay, so the results come and the landscapes are pretty amazing. Like I really like this one. This is really great. This is really amazing. This is amazing. All of them are amazing. This is not a landscape, but yeah, still the quality of the pictures are really extremely good. Really high quality pictures. I really like the color tone of this. So both the websites give amazing pictures on landscape and anyone who searches landscape will surely get amazing results and the user will totally be happy with the results. So both of them really great work. So now it's time for some portrait. So let's go. Okay, so this is a really good one. This is extremely nice. This is cute and simple. This is creative. As you can see, the pictures are really high quality and the portraits are really good. I really like the depth of field in the image. I also like the subgenres it has in the portrait. So, like this, which is a chilled one, like two people are just having coffee and just chilling out. And on the other hand, see, this one is a very strong portrait. And this is really great. Now let's see what Pexels has got. So here are the results. And the portraits are really nice. Oh, this is the same. So this picture is common in both Pixabay and Pexels. So it's quite obvious that you will find some of the pictures in almost all the platforms that gives you this type of images, because it's by the same photographer, so it's by the same creator, and he will obviously try to add to as many websites he can. Yeah, this is really nice. This duotone is like really good. These portraits are really professional looking portraits. This one too. So the portraits are really amazing. Like they're really good. To see the portrait images or to see some work of portrait, we always search over Google or we search on Instagram for some portraits and all. But these websites also have some great portraits, and we can really look for in these websites to get idea, not to take just only images from this, but also to get ideas as a photographer. But what I would say personally, what I feel seeing the couple of pics in the first page is that Pixabay is more on the creative side. Like this one is creative, this is creative, and maximum of them are towards a little creative side. But in Pexels, most of them are like authentic portraits. There are no like objects and other things complementing the image, but they are the authentic portrait with just a subject. So this is what the difference I found looking at couple of the images in both the websites, but the quality are extremely good. So now it's time for architecture. So let's just search it. So here we go. I like this one. It gives a kind of vintage look and stuffs like that. Okay, so pyramid in the Paris. A great aerial shot. These images are really good. Like I can't even believe that you can find all such images like for free. The photographers, the contributors are really doing extremely good job. Can you just believe you can literally use these images anywhere you want, for your website, for your YouTube videos, for anything you want, just for free. So really great pictures. Let's move to the Pexels. So here we go. Really nice. Oh, I like this one, this moody tone. Really great architecture pics too. Let's just see again Pixabay. Like it's really confusing, which is great. They are really great. So I guess in architecture both are extremely good, and it's just like both are on the same level because they really perform very well in the architecture also. Like extremely high quality images. So it's time for some city night. So let's go. I'm really excited about this category and who wins it. A really good light trail. I really like this moody dark night. This is great. This is even great. Oh, this urban pick is really good. This is really amazing. This is creative. Look at those images. They are so much good. Just look at how the cities seem at night. They are like so much magical. Just wow. Okay, I'm excited to move into the pixels. Whoa. Just look at the images. Just look at this. Wow, just wow. Just look at this one. Who will believe that you can get this image for any purpose to use just for free? I will really request you, if you use the image in any website or anywhere, just credit the artist, just credit the photographer, because these guys are really doing amazing job for us so that we can get things for free and use it in different videos or our different projects. Really extremely appreciated. Both are amazing, both. There's no comparison in this category. Okay, so it's time for some animals. Let's see what Pixabay has got. Okay, oh, this is cute. Just look at the eyes of the lion. Just look at this. Just look at the images. They are so much. What to say? I'm like in loss of some words to express how good the images are. Just look at the sharpness of the eyes. Wow. I'm really excited to move into the pixels. Let's just quickly search. Okay. A really nice one. I like this one. The images in the pixels are also really good, but in this category, I personally think that Pixabay has got better quality images, because by going through the images I see in front of my eyes, I just feel the images in the Pixabay are a little more professional and more creative when compared with the images in pixels. No doubt, both are really good, but in this category, the Pixabay is a little further. So it's time to fill up the stomach. So it's time for some food. Let's go. Whoa. I'm really getting hungry and hungry. I should not say this. I should not. No, these are really so much. They are such great images. Coffee. Even the carrots look so amazing. A simple vegetable can look so much good, so well done by the photographer. Ah, burger. So now let's move to the pixels. This is going to be really tough. Oh, this looks so good. All the seasonings have been so much like creatively portrayed in the image. The images are so good. Like, I'm literally hungry after seeing all such images. But yeah, coming into the comparison, I think the images in the pixels are a little better than the images in Pixabay, because all the images I am seeing right now really look professional food photography, and I will be happy to use, I will be literally excited to use any of the image in my any video or anywhere I want and where I can. Like, it will really bump up my project or my video, like, you know what I mean. So in the food category, the pixels perform better than the Pixabay. So don't forget to comment down below which website you liked more. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below down there. And having that said, see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.